What's up, guys? Pedro here, and today we have a special guest, my mother. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
You goober.
The apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
And where are we going?
We're going to Margaritaville, one of my favorite destinations.
And mine too. Oh, and stay tuned to the end of the video because we're going to tell you how Pedro got his nickname.
Today we're going to start with a simple recipe for margaritas. A half a cup of lime juice, fresh squeezed.
Fresh squeezed.
2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to go ahead and put in the ice first, a cup of ice.
Alrighty. How much tequila?
I need a cup of tequila and a cup of triple sec.
Is that all?
Mm-hmm.
Tequila. You can use whatever tequila you want, but this one's my favorite. We actually are halving the recipe just because of the size of our blender.
No, actually, it's because we really want to get through this video and the next 2.
Well, we can always do that tomorrow. How much of this?
Full.
Okay. So it's a cup of triple sec,
It's
too?
a cup of triple sec also.
Ooh. Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
I'll prepare the glasses.
Okay, you're gonna rim.
We're
We're rimming the glasses with a mixture of kosher salt and sugar. She just used the lime to wet the rim of the glass so that the salt and sugar will stick to it. And I'm gonna mix this up. It's gonna get loud. Well, first you have to plug the blender in.
These are ready.
Okay. It's gonna get loud. This thing's actually made for juicing, so oh my goodness.
So
We might need more ice.
So we might have margarita juice.
And that's good too. Mm-hmm. You just blend that up. Oh, this is actually perfect. What do you think about that? I've been waiting for this.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my my. Oh my my.
That's good.
Okay guys, lesson of the day. Drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. And for God's sakes, do not overserve yourself and try to do YouTube videos. Okay, that margarita recipe was real simple, but it was delicious. I hope you guys tried it. It was better than any of those margarita mixes that you buy. Now, it was way better than those, so I hope you guys try them. Up next, how Pedro got his name. Okay, so one night, my wife and I went out to dinner. We went to Mexican, of course, because we go out to Mexican like once a week. Anyways, we went out to Mexican, and I'm told that I was overserved. Not sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was. Anyways, so I was overserved with margaritas. Well, came home that evening. I laid flat out on the bed.
Boots and all.
Fully dressed, cowboy boots on, fully dressed, laid out on the bed. I was probably that close to going out. And my wife was talking to her best friend, Shane, a.k.a. Sassy Pants. And she is my wife's best friend. And she has a reputation for giving people nicknames. Well, anyway, this was years and years. This is about 13 years ago. And anyway, she's talking to my wife on the phone. I'm laid out on the bed. My wife mentioned something about having to take the dog out to go to the bathroom. Well, I pop up and I'm saying, I'll take that out. And Shane says, oh, Pedro. So ever since then, I've been known as Pedro. Even my wife calls me Pedro. She calls me Pedro more than she calls me Thomas.
I'll always call him Tommy.
Of course, I'll always be Tommy to my mom. But Yeah, my wife calls me Pedro more than she does Thomas. Unless I'm in trouble, she calls me Thomas. Kind of like you. Anyways, so that is how Pedro got his name.
And everybody else calls him Pedro.
All my friends, all my family, everybody calls me Pedro. They started calling me Pedro at work. But anyways, that's how I got my name. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget. Don't forget.
Too many margaritas.
Only two. I only had two. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and that way you don't miss the next video.
Which will be fish tacos.
Fish tacos and mango salsa. Heck yeah. So ready for that. You guys take care. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Pedro, out. Mom, come on.
Oh.
This way, you goober.